Welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a letter writing. Your son stays in a hostel. As a mother, write a letter to him to be aware of the several abuses of mobile phones. Son's address: Dear Orit, hope you are doing well. We miss you every day since you left for the hostel. We are so proud of you that you are doing so well in examination. As a mother, I am always concerned about your well-being. Wanted to give you a friendly advice. I have been reading a lot of reports about the abuses of mobile phones. These phones, as important as they are in our lives, are being used as weapons in different forms, from identifying thefts to getting access to online banking, scams, and even virtual bullying. The phones are being used for all wrong purposes. Even the Kolkata police has been issuing warnings to not to respond to phone messages from strangers. Please be extremely careful and take good care of yourself. Lots of love, Ma. Mother's address. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.